Okay, I woke her up now on a voice command. I can't say it because it'll STOP start STR. Can't be doing that. Anyway, crap. I've got good battery on the gimbal. I'm in 30%. Sorry, 30% on the GoPro battery, which is great. So you can easily get an hour really good. They rated it something else, but it really good. Come on, hurry up, it's getting dark. This is hole number 2, or hole number Z for the stoners, because they don't spell the same way we do. But I'm not a stoner. Okay, so let's go up to the actual dam itself. Go to the top. We can walk out just a little ways because they're tearing it up for construction again. And I can definitely go up and down those steps one of these days. One of these days. Not today. Yeah, this is where you usually see bigger insects, and then you see bigger, well, birds. You see birds going after the insects. There we go. These people try to take my phone, I'm going to hit them with it. Because I got a GoPro subscription, $24 for a year. And they'll give you a phone if yours gets messed up. So that's worth it. It's normally $50 a year, but for $24, you can also get unlimited backup to the cloud. I mean, really. Just a normal fisherman out here. And then, oh, there's quite a few. They love it right here. Right along the dam. On the upper end. Hoover Disk. Golf course out there. Anglers to anglers. Must be a real good cove right there. Fish murderers. Fish murder bastards. Some hands. Okay. I'll probably do some still photography out here. Because you could do a still 360. And that, my friends, is the Big Walnut Creek. Pretty much where it begins. It actually starts up north of here. Honestly, it doesn't start here, but this is where it continues. Holding this thing out about a foot from my face. Just FYI. The big walnut goes down into southern Franklin County, where it becomes part of Three Creeks Park. But then I believe it leaves that park intact with the name Big Walnut, and then it goes down into the Scioto, and then heads down to the Ohio, and then, well, you know, stop right here, stop recording, GoPro stop recording.